Would it be okay if I built the Paulk Smart Benches using 1/2-inch plywood instead of the 3/4-inch plywood that the plans call out? Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a set of plans to build one of the 3 Paulk Smart Benches, the Paulk Smart Wood Shop, click on the link in the description of this video down below where you can go and purchase plans either individually or in packages, and then you'll get an email from us. You can download them instantaneously, and this is 24/7, 365. A 3/4-inch or 18mm top, I have found works far better than 1/2-inch, and primarily because of the thickness. Bench dogs, whether I'm using the bench directly or whether I'm attaching the different fixtures to it, extra thickness using 18mm is much better for the bench dogs. It just gives more material for the bench dogs to be snugged into. And also, most all of the bench dog accessories out there that tighten from underneath, some of the Festool stuff as well as a lot of other brands, I found that they would not snug down using 1/2-inch. All of my current benches, of which there are only 3, are all PS, Paulk Smart. Paulk Smart Bench, Paulk Smart Station, and the Paulk Smart Big Bench. They all are made with 18mm 3/4 plywood top to bottom. I would say that if you built the structure of the bench, the bottom as well as the sides and the spreaders out of 12mm, I don't think you're going to have a problem. You do have to be more careful with your screw placement because you're screwing straight into the laminations of 12mm material. So you want to get dead center and you want to pre-drill. But I do that with the 18mm as well. It's just there's more glue surface and the drilling the hole for the screw. There's a little more latitude and making sure that the material doesn't separate into laminations. I will say a quick tip though, I did have that happen a few times in the past in building the benches, and what I would do is if it started to delaminate, I would stop, put glue in that, put a clamp on it, and let it dry up, and then drill it again, and it would hold up just fine. With that being said, if you did the majority of the bench out of 1/2-inch plywood and the top out of 3/4-inch plywood, then you would get that reduced weight, and I don't think you'd be giving up too much in strength, and the top then would be thick enough to do its job in holding things down when you clamp to it, and also working with the bench dogs and then the accessories that clamp through. The horses though, I have tried to make them out of 1/2-inch, 12mm, and they flex too much. I hope this long-winded discussion about the thickness of material to reduce the weight will answer your questions. If nothing else, I'll be able to grab a link to this video, and when somebody emails me or puts a comment in one of my videos, I'll just post that link and they can come here and get their answers. Also, in the comments down below, if you'd like to see me build a bench, any one of the benches, using 18mm for the top, 18mm for the sawhorses, but the structure, the bottom, the substructure of the bench, doing it with 1/2-inch 12mm, let me know in the comments so I'll think about it. Maybe when I have an opportunity and I need to build another bench. I don't need to build myself one. I have my 3, they're all I need. But obviously, for the sake of the Smart Wood Shop family, if that's something that would help, then I'd be willing to give it a go. If you find these videos helpful at all and you'd like to support the channel, you can do so free of charge to yourself by clicking that thumbs up down below and making a comment. Those things help motivate the algorithm at YouTube. It'll drive up the videos and they'll be served up to more people, which helps grow the channel, which obviously helps support the channel. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe, and get out there and make some sawdust.